Okay, this is the YouTube video and insurance company video for damage done to the service entry and our electrical stuff on our camp. So, here's the tree. The offending party came across the road last night. It was weird because we felt something whoosh, but we weren't sure what. We were not sure what. And this is the wire. Goes to the camp. And if you look really close, excuse me, it's early in the morning, and I've got a frog in my throat. If you look really close, you can see what has happened. That little pole has separated from the building, meaning we're going to have water coming in, and we're going to have some problems. So we are on it with our wonderful, wonderful King of Maine construction that will come over with an electrician and make sure that all this is taken care of straight away. So Mr. Insurance Company, this is all yours, I think.